Assalamu alaikum students. I am your English teacher and I welcome you in online class. Today we will do exercise wordsmith and exercise C of unit 10 and a story. First of all, we will do wordsmith that is given on page 110 of English language textbook. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. For example, happy and joy. Synonyms वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जिनके मायने सेम होते हैं, एक जैसे होते हैं. मिसाल के तौर पर हैप्पी एंड जॉय दोनों का मतलब है खुशी. मैच द वर्ड्स विद देयर सिनोनिम्स. There are some words given in column A and their synonyms are given in column B. We have to match these words with their synonyms. Number 1, abandon. Its synonym is leave. Number 2, enemy. Its synonym is rival. Number 3, coarse. Its synonym is rough. Number 4, adhere. Its synonym is stick. Number 5, disaster. You will match it with calamity. Number 6, enormous. Match it with gigantic. Number 7, intention. Its synonym is purpose. Number 8, maximum. Its synonym is most. Number 9, imitate. Its synonym is copy. Number 10, minimum. Its synonym is least. Number 11, wrath. Its synonym is anger. Now we will do exercise C of workbook. Complete the following sentences by writing the synonyms of the words given in the brackets. Number 1, gift. My mother bought me a present. Number 2, mark. There was a big black spot on his shirt. Number 3, attire. She was in a beautiful dress. Number 4, conceal. The thief tried to hide the evidence from the police. Number 5, compelled. I was forced to eat my vegetables. Number 6, abandoned. She left her belongings at the hotel. Number 7, invaluable. Kindness is priceless. Number 8, unusual. She saw a rare animal at the zoo. Next we will do story, a greedy dog. Once there was a hungry dog. He was wandering here and there in search of food. Wandering means to move aimlessly from place to place. Suddenly he saw a piece of meat hanging in a butcher's shop. It looked so tasty that his mouth started watering. When nobody was paying attention, he stole that piece of meat from the butcher's shop and ran away. He wanted to eat it at a safe place. On his way there was a stream. While he was running over the bridge, he saw his own reflection in water. He took it as another dog with a piece of meat. Took it as means कि उसने समझा या उसे लगा. He wanted to have that piece as well. He barked at his own shadow. When he opened his mouth, his own piece of meat fell into the water. Moral: greed is curse. Homework: complete and learn wordsmith and exercise C. Write and learn story. Thank you.